Hey guys, what I want to do is I want to go over really quick what you're supposed to be doing this week. So I'm going to share with you my entire screen. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into our daily assignments. So this is for 11:9 to 11:13. You're supposed to be able to describe the differences and advantages of open and closed loop systems. And that's what we're going to be kind of working on this week. So let's look and see what we have. So if you are at home today, what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to do virtual activity 3.12 basic output programming. We were doing that last week. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here. And remember what you do is you go into Unit 3. Okay, we're in machine control. You're going to go down to 3.1. And this is where what you should have done is you should have not gone down because that's in class. At home, you should have gone to your distance learning. And the first thing you should have done is you should have read through here on what this is. Your equipment is your VEX VR, that's virtual world. And then what they did is they wanted you to, first of all, with 3.1, you're supposed to navigate and go through and do all of the answers for 3.1 and submit that. But where we're going to today is we're going to go to 3.12. You will need to know that that is where you are. The work that you need to submit is your ISM book and any screenshots of anything that you've done online. So you should be able to know how to do step-by-step processing, solving problems. The first thing is it has a flow chart, which we went over last week in class, what a flow chart is. If you open this up, this here will go through what a flow chart is and some flow charting tips. It'll give you some of the symbols that we had to. Here is an example. I would like you to look at that example. I would like you to draw this example in your computer, in your ISM book. Modeling overview, system thinking. And what we're going to do is we're going to go back after our flow chart. We're going to go back up here again to where we were. Sorry, I got out somehow. Go ahead and go back in to where we were. And we looked at the flow chart. And now what we're going to be doing is we're going to, there are all these resources for you to look at, and that is not the virtual one. Sorry, we're back to the virtual one. And so we went to the flow charting. Here is a process of design. So if you go in here into this activity, it will give you a video talking about how behavior goes, how a simple behavior, how a complex behavior is. You will need to go through here and look at this activity and take notes here. Then you'll go back to our assignment. And then it starts telling you of things that they want you to do. And you're going to do some coding. Talking about what an algorithm is. Give you some more steps. Tell you what you need to do as far as going in there. And then there is 2 conclusion questions that you have to answer. Now, if you look on Project Lead the Way, that would be for today. And then tomorrow, 3.13, you would go here for that. Make sure that you're at the distance learning one. So then it will tell you step-by-step process, introductory. It gives you a design, program design activity, This activity is similar, or it looks like it's the same one as we did before. Let's look again. Okay, we already did that one, so we don't have to do it anymore. And then here starts talking about open loop systems and how to do that. So you will go through here. You will try to do everything that you can as you go through, answering your ISM book. If you are on the software, you need to show me the software, and then answer these two questions, okay? And then when it is, that's the 2 virtual days for either Monday and Tuesday, or for those people that are on Wednesday and Thursday. Then we're going to go into what if statements. That's part of the assignment on 3.14. So if you came here and you go to 3.14, those of you that have to do that at distance learning, then you're going to go through and you're going to do this process as you go through, okay? Besides that, and then I think there's 2 questions at the end that you have to do. Besides that, we're going to be working here on building our robot, our test bed. And then also what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going over on how to code in Robot C and how we do it for our test beds. And we'll be working on that this week. If you have any questions, please email me. If not, I hope you have a good day.